If you're looking to buy an air purifier, the first thing that you need to consider is where you want to put your air purifier. If you're looking to put your air purifier in a small to medium room, then you can consider an air purifier that supports up to 400 square feet, like your bedroom or a study room. From medium to large rooms, you can consider an air purifier that supports from 400 to 800 square feet. The next thing that you need to consider is the clean air delivery rate, also known as CADR. You can see by this name it is listed on all the platforms like Amazon, Flipkart on the air purifiers. Generally, a higher clean air delivery rate is preferable. The higher it gets, the better it gets. The next and the most important feature that you need to look out in an air purifier is the kind of filters that you are using. Most purifiers will have at least 3 filters. Pre-filters are useful for removing any large particles like dust particles or pet hair. That helps in improving the life of the HEPA filter, which is generally more expensive than the pre-filter. The next is the carbon filter that helps in removing the odor and smoke from your room. And lastly, the most important filter that you will see in the air purifier is the HEPA filter, which helps in removing the minutest particle from air. True HEPA, HEPA 13 and HEPA 14 are 3 filters that you should look out when you're looking to buy an air purifier. These filters are able to capture the minutest particles of the size of 0.3 microns. After having researched about more than 15 air purifiers, I have shortlisted 6 air purifiers that you should buy in 2025 under 10,000. At number 6, we have the Honeywell air purifier for home. This air purifier comes with 4-stage filtration and removes 99.9% microallergens, including PM10 and PM2.5 particles. This air purifier has a CADR of up to 250 cubic meters per hour and support up to a coverage of 388 square feet. The air purifier operates at a low noise level of 32.5 decibels. At the time of making the video, this was priced at around 8,000 rupees and you can get it for as low as 7,200 rupees by getting a 10% off by applying relevant cards. You get a warranty of 2 years on this product, which is a really good thing to have. At number 5, we have the Cubo Smart Air Purifier Q400. The Q400 has a CADR of 300 cubic meters per hour and can effectively purify the air with a room up to 400 square feet. You get a 4-layer filtration with this air purifier that has the ability to filter allergens as small as PM 0.1. You can control this air purifier through the Cubo app right from your mobile phone. It also works with Alexa and Google for easy hands-free air purification. You can get this air purifier for about 9,000 rupees. You can also check out the link in the description to check out the latest price of this product. At number 4, we have the Philips AC0920. This air purifier can cover up to 300 square feet. This has a 2-layer HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% particles up to 0.003 microns. It comes with a Philips Nano Protect HEPA filter that can clean up to 2x more air than traditional HEPA H13 filtration. During sleep mode, it can run at only 20.5 decibels. You can buy this product for around 8,500 rupees and it comes with a 2-year brand warranty by Philips. At number 3, we have the Sharp Room Air Purifier. If you are looking for an air purifier that has a unique design, then this will be a good fit for you. It comes with 3 filters, a pre-filter, an active carbon filter and a HEPA filter. What's good about this air purifier is that the filter life is up to 2 years, which indicates that the filter replacement cost might be lower than the other normal purifiers. You can buy this air purifier for around 10,000 rupees. For the most up-to-date price, you can check out the link below in the description. If you have come this far, I would request you to please support me by subscribing my channel. At number 2, we have the Coway Air Mega Air Purifier. This air purifier can clean a room up to 355 square feet. From a design perspective, this is a very unique design that can also be accessible through a remote control. You get advanced 3-in-1 filtration, a special antivirus green true HEPA filter, and 360-degree air purification. This air purifier comes with the longest warranty for air purifiers in this list at 7 years motor warranty. At number 1, we have the Agaro Imperial Air Purifier for Home. This is the only air purifier in the list that comes with a true HEPA H14 filter that can block particles for as low as 0.1 ppm. This has a CATR of 320 cubic meters per hour, can support rooms up to 400 square feet. You also get features like ion release and UV light. You can control this air purifier through a remote and a touch panel on the product. I am personally using this air purifier for the past 1 year and I am quite happy with the product. At the time of making this video, this product was priced at around 10,000 rupees. For the latest price, please check out the link in the description below. This was my take on the air purifiers that you can buy in 2025 for up to 10,000 rupees. I hope you liked the video.